African woman. Rich skin tone, my woman. True African proud woman. Rise up, African woman. Definition of a partner. Grind so hard, she a hustler. You think you're the head of the house, but she a backbone of the whole plan. Everything so nice, body shape so fine. Wise enough to be a ruler. This is Africa, and I'm so blessed. I drink water straight from Zambezi. Oh yeah, these women are so fine, a beauty like Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, African woman rocks. An African woman rocks. African woman rocks. An African woman rocks.
Let's catch it. You have African woman, true African proud.